The world is changing. We are surrounded by technology. One of the most exciting and rapidly developing fields is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is everywhere. It's in our phones, our cars, and even our homes. AI is helping us to solve complex problems and make our lives easier. But it's also raising some important questions about the future of humanity. Some believe AI can cure diseases, end poverty, and solve climate change. Others worry it could threaten jobs, privacy, and even our existence. Hello, this is Andy again from AI World. We will explore the potential benefits and risks of AI, examining its impact on jobs, ethics, and the possibility of an AI apocalypse. One of the most common concerns about AI is its potential impact on jobs. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it is capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. This has led some to fear that AI will lead to widespread job losses as machines replace human workers in factories, offices, and other workplaces. Economists, another concern is the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. For example, AI could be used to develop autonomous weapon systems that could kill without human intervention. Or it could be used to create sophisticated surveillance systems that could erode our privacy. The rapid progress in AI means it's essential to start thinking about these issues now. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner. Hollywood has long been fascinated by the possibilities of AI. From the Terminator to Ex Machina, movies have explored the potential for AI to both help and harm humanity. While these films can be entertaining, they often present a distorted view of AI. In reality, AI is not about creating sentient machines that can think and feel like humans. Instead, AI is about developing algorithms that can learn from data and perform tasks that require intelligence when done by humans. In the coming sections, we will delve deeper into the world of AI. We will explore the potential impact of AI on different aspects of our lives. Our goal is to provide you with the information you need to form your own opinions about the future of AI. The fear of technology replacing human jobs is not new. Throughout history, we've seen this anxiety surface with each wave of innovation. From the mechanization of agriculture to the rise of factory automation, jobs have shifted and transformed. The key difference this time is the speed and scale at which AI is evolving. AI's ability to process information, learn and adapt means it can potentially automate a wider range of tasks than previous technologies. Imagine a future where self-driving trucks handle logistics, AI-powered assistants manage customer service, and robots work alongside humans in manufacturing. These scenarios, once confined to science fiction, are rapidly becoming a reality. It's essential to acknowledge that certain sectors, particularly those involving repetitive manual tasks or data processing, are more susceptible to automation. While the potential for job displacement is real, it's important to remember that AI is not simply a job terminator. History has shown us that technological advancements often lead to the creation of new industries and job opportunities. When computers became commonplace, fears of mass unemployment were rampant. However, the digital revolution created millions of jobs in software development, web design, data analysis, and more. Similarly, AI is expected to create new roles in fields such as AI development, training, maintenance, and ethics. AI systems will require human oversight, ensuring ethical considerations are met and decisions are made responsibly. Moreover, AI has the potential to augment human capabilities, allowing us to focus on tasks requiring creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The key lies in adapting to these changes by focusing on skills that complement AI rather than competing with it. The transition to an AI-driven economy will require a shift in our education and training systems. We need to equip future generations with the skills necessary to thrive in a world where AI is commonplace. This includes fostering creativity, critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and adaptability. Lifelong learning will be crucial. Governments and organizations will play a vital role in providing access to retraining programs and supporting workers through this transition. The future of work in the age of AI is not predetermined. By embracing a proactive approach to education, skills development, and ethical considerations, we can harness the power of AI to create a more prosperous and equitable future for all. Hollywood has a long and colorful history of portraying artificial intelligence in ways that range from the awe-inspiring to the downright terrifying. From the sentient computer HAL 9000 in 2001, a space odyssey, to the self-aware killing machine in the Terminator, these cinematic representations have captured our imaginations and fueled our anxieties about the potential of AI. These films often depict AI as a force to be reckoned with, capable of outsmarting and overpowering humans. While these stories make for compelling entertainment, they often present a distorted view of AI, blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. It's important to remember that Hollywood's primary goal is to entertain, not necessarily to educate. While they might spark our curiosity about the potential of AI, they shouldn't be mistaken for accurate representations of where the technology is headed. Interestingly, while Hollywood often portrays AI as a threat to humanity, it's also increasingly using AI behind the scenes as a tool for filmmaking.
From script writing and character development to visual effects and post-production, AI is changing the way movies are made, offering filmmakers new avenues for creativity and efficiency.
AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of data, including scripts, audience preferences, and box office trends, to help writers craft more engaging narratives and predict audience responses.
This collaboration between human creativity and AI's computational power has the potential to push the boundaries of filmmaking, leading to more immersive and visually stunning cinematic experiences.
AI can assist in creating realistic visual effects and even generating entire scenes, freeing up human artists and animators to focus on more complex and creative tasks. While Hollywood continues to grapple with the ethical and existential implications of AI on screen, the reality of AI today is far more grounded. We are still a long way from creating sentient machines capable of independent thought and emotions as depicted in many science fiction films. Current AI systems are largely focused on specific tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and data analysis. They excel at performing these tasks with speed and accuracy, often surpassing human capabilities in these areas. However, they lack the general intelligence and adaptability of humans, making them ill-suited for scenarios that require complex decision-making, emotional intelligence, or understanding of nuanced social contexts. For example, while an AI-powered chatbot might handle customer service inquiries efficiently, it would struggle to understand and respond appropriately to a customer expressing complex emotions or needing empathetic support. The gap between Hollywood's portrayal of AI and the reality of AI today is a reminder of the importance of critical thinking and media literacy. While science fiction can be a powerful tool for exploring potential futures and sparking our imaginations, it's crucial to distinguish between fictional narratives and real-world developments. As AI continues to advance, it's important to engage in informed discussions about its potential benefits and risks. By separating hype from reality, we can make informed decisions about the development and deployment of AI, ensuring that it aligns with our values and contributes positively to society. Rather than fearing a dystopian future where machines rule over humanity, we should focus on harnessing the power of AI to address real-world challenges, improve our lives, and create a more equitable and sustainable future for all. AI in healthcare. A new era of medical innovation. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed earlier and more accurately, and where robots assist surgeons with superhuman precision. AI is making strides in medical imaging, analyzing X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with remarkable accuracy. AI is also developing new drugs and therapies at an unprecedented pace. This personalized approach to medicine has the potential to revolutionize healthcare. The AI revolution in finance transforming how we manage money. The financial industry, with its reliance on data analysis, risk assessment, and fraud detection, is ripe for AI disruption. One of the most visible impacts of AI in finance is the rise of robo-advisors, automated platforms that provide investment advice and portfolio management based on algorithms and machine learning models. These platforms can analyze market trends, assess risk tolerance, and recommend personalized investment strategies, making financial advice more accessible and affordable for a wider range of investors. AI is also playing a crucial role in fraud detection, helping financial institutions combat increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. By analyzing transaction patterns, identifying anomalies, and flagging suspicious activities in real time, AI can help prevent fraudulent transactions, protect sensitive financial data, and maintain the integrity of the financial system. AI and the fight against climate change, a powerful tool for sustainability. AI is emerging as a powerful tool for developing sustainable solutions and mitigating the impacts of a warming planet.
AI optimizes renewable energy, predicting output and balancing supply and demand.
AI monitors deforestation, tracks endangered species, and predicts wildfires, aiding conservation and disaster preparedness. Section 4, the ethical dilemma: AI and the future of warfare. While AI holds immense potential for good, its application in warfare raises profound ethical concerns. The development of autonomous weapons systems capable of selecting and engaging targets without human intervention presents a moral and humanitarian dilemma with far-reaching consequences. Critics argue that delegating life or death decisions to machines is morally unacceptable and could lead to an escalation of warfare with unpredictable and potentially catastrophic consequences. The development of AI-powered weapons systems also raises concerns about accountability and the potential for unintended consequences. These are complex questions with no easy answers, requiring careful consideration and international cooperation to ensure that AI is used responsibly in the context of warfare. Section 1. The control problem. As AI systems become more sophisticated, a critical question arises. How much control should we relinquish to these systems? It's not about machines taking over, but the consequences of delegating decision-making to algorithms. Imagine an AI managing a city's power grid. A software error could lead to blackouts. In healthcare, biased AI could misdiagnose patients. We must carefully consider AI autonomy, especially in impactful areas. The challenge is balancing AI's capabilities with human oversight. Human-in-the-loop systems can help retain control. This way, we benefit from AI while maintaining oversight. A significant concern in AI ethics stems from the potential for bias. AI systems learn from the data they are trained on. If this data reflects existing societal biases, the AI system will perpetuate and even amplify these biases. For example, an AI-powered hiring tool might unfairly disadvantage female applicants. Similarly, a facial recognition system could struggle to identify individuals from certain ethnicities. These biases can have real-world consequences, perpetuating inequalities and discrimination. The ethical considerations surrounding AI highlight the need for a proactive approach. We must embed ethics into every stage of the AI lifecycle. This requires a multidisciplinary effort to establish guidelines for responsible AI. Public understanding of AI's benefits and risks is essential. The future of AI is shaped by our choices today. As we've journeyed through the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, we've encountered both the remarkable promise and inherent challenges. From revolutionizing healthcare and finance to combating climate change, we must approach AI development with shared responsibility, promoting transparency and accountability. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to AI World for the latest updates on artificial intelligence.